This is tutorial number 101, and it covers how to use the Boolean remove feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 99, which is located on the DVD. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Boolean remove feature. So to do this, let's click Insert, Boolean Operations, click Remove. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove these part bodies from one another to create a single part body at the end. So let's do one. Let's click Insert, click Boolean Operations, click Remove, and we'll remove the circle, so body 2, from the part body. Click OK, and it's removed it from the body. So we've done a Boolean operator by removing it from that body. So anything that the circle was touching gets cut out. Now press Ctrl Z and we'll back it up. Now we're going to do it the opposite way. We're going to cut this body from this body here. But in Catia, this part body, your original one, has to stay intact, so it can't be used to cut away from. And I'll show you that you're going to run into a problem. So let's click Insert, Boolean Operation, Remove, and we'll remove the part body, and it says that you can't. So click OK, and I'm going to show you how to set it up so that you're able to remove that one after. So click Insert, click Body, and what you're going to do is select all the features underneath the part body, and what you're going to do is you're going to drag them over. So just drag each one over. Until you fill up that other body. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hide the original body. So we're going to hide it, and now we have that other body, the same part body we started out with, but now we're able to use this to cut. So let's click Insert, click Boolean Operation, click Remove, and we're going to remove this body from this body, click OK, and now we used that body to cut it. So in Catia, it always wants to keep its original part body that you use. So this, you're going to have to kind of find ways to get around sometimes, and this is just one way to get around from it. Copy everything from your original body to a separate body and just hide the first one. Now if I unhide it, you'll see that it's going to come back. When I hide it, it's gone. So just make sure you hide that original body, and it'll let you do a cut such as this. So you're able to use these different bodies that we've created to cut from one another. And this concludes our tutorial on how to use the Boolean remove feature within Catia V5.